This is Antarctica, a land buried under ice, isolated from the rest of the world, and surrounded by mysteries that still puzzle scientists today. From the eerie red flow of the blood falls to hidden lakes beneath miles of ice, from strange deep-sea creatures to rumors of lost civilizations, Antarctica feels less like Earth and more like another planet. It is the only continent where humans don't permanently live. Temperatures can fall to a brutal -90 degrees Celsius, while icy storms rage at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. And surprisingly, despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is also the driest continent on Earth, receiving barely 51 millimeters of precipitation each year, making it technically a desert. Yet, even in such extreme conditions, powerful nations have been competing for influence here for over a century. Why? What could possibly be hidden beneath this frozen wasteland that makes the world's superpowers so interested? Today, we uncover the secrets of Antarctica, its past, its mysteries, and the truth buried beneath its ice. The answer isn't simple. The British claim it. The Russians argue otherwise. But long before modern explorers, the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle predicted the existence of a southern landmass, believing the Earth must be balanced between north and south. A 2021 study by the Royal Society of New Zealand even suggests that Polynesian Maori explorers may have reached Antarctic waters as early as the 7th century, guided only by stars and oral traditions. In recorded history, James Cook became the first European to cross the Antarctic Circle. But facing violent seas and massive ice barriers, he turned back, convinced no one would ever reach the continent. He was wrong. In 1820, Russian explorer Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen sailed close enough to finally lay eyes on Antarctica, marking the first confirmed sighting in modern history. Antarctica doesn't forgive mistakes. In 1911, British explorer Robert Falcon Scott led a dangerous expedition deep into the frozen interior. After traveling hundreds of miles, his team was forced to return, but they never made it back alive. Freezing temperatures, starvation, and relentless storms claimed every member of the mission. Even during global conflicts, Antarctica remained a target. In 1939, under Adolf Hitler, Nazi Germany attempted to mark its presence by dropping flags across parts of the continent. What if Antarctica wasn't always frozen? Scientists from Imperial College London discovered fossilized wood and plant remains, evidence that around 90 million years ago, this icy land was once covered in dense forests. Insects that could only survive in warm climates were also found, confirming that Antarctica once had a completely different environment, warm, alive, and thriving. Beneath nearly 3 kilometers of solid ice, researchers have discovered more than 400 hidden lakes, sealed off from the outside world for millions of years. These lakes host strange and unique life forms, including transparent jellyfish and giant sea spiders, creatures that exist nowhere else on Earth. It's like discovering a completely separate ecosystem, hidden in darkness. In the McMurdo Dry Valleys, there's a waterfall that looks like it's bleeding. But the truth is just as fascinating. The water comes from an ancient underground lake rich in iron and salt. When this water reaches the surface, it reacts with oxygen, creating a deep red, rust-like color that resembles more than science can explain. Stories of ancient civilizations buried under ice, sightings of UFOs, and strange structures seen on satellite images have fueled countless conspiracy theories. In 2016, unusual patterns spotted on Google Earth sparked global curiosity. While some claimed alien activity, others believe these are classified military or research operations conducted by powerful nations. Antarctica isn't just about mystery, it's about the future. The Antarctic Treaty allows countries to conduct research, but prohibits military activity and resource exploitation, at least officially. However, Surveys have suggested massive reserves of oil and gas beneath the ice. More importantly, rare earth elements, essential for modern technology like smartphones, electric vehicles, and batteries, have been detected in large quantities. Countries like China and the United States are increasing their presence, not just for science, but for strategic advantage. Because whoever controls these resources may control the future.